Please join me in a prayer for the Ukraine to be united with the United Nations and to become part of Europe. Hello and welcome to another episode of Talk Like Debbie, where today we're going to focus on the U sound. The U sound using the letter U. You have the U sound in the UK. Have you been to the UK? Would you like to go to the UK? The United Kingdom. Have you been to Uganda? I believe Uganda is in Africa. Not really great with geography, but I think that's where it is. You have universal. Universal peace. We have anything with uni. United Kingdom, United Nations, universal, university. Have you been to university? Would you like to go to university? Have you been accepted? Approved. There's the U. Also user. Anything with a user, user-friendly. You also have username. Do you have a website? What's your username? There are a few of the U sounds with the letter U. Universal, united, and user-friendly. I hope you're having an awesome day. Please subscribe to my video and we'll see you on the next one.